So let's talk about the ego and its search for love. So one thing that we come to understand through some of these videos is that in reality, the ego is not real, right? The ego, that's why it's the false self. False, it's fake. So what's fake can never be real. And what is real is love. So this is a conundrum because something that's unreal is looking for something that is real. But when you look at it, this exists and this doesn't exist. This is why the ego dies. You can say the ego dies into love, or at ego death there is love. The death of the ego equals unconditional love. But as long as we're identified as the ego, as long as we're identified with the mind-made sense of self, as long as we're identified with who we think we are, the thought of who we are, as long as we're identified with that, we're identified as a dream character. We're identified with the unreal. So once that's seen through, and once that identification is no more, and we let go and we surrender, then there's actually the death of the ego. But at the same time, it's the birth of love. It's the love that you are. Because like I said, is the only thing real is love. It's just as if it's love pretending to be something it's not. And as long as it's trying to be pretending to be something that it's not, this is just pretend. This is unreal. And the only thing that's real is that love. So it feels like you're letting go of the illusion for the truth. And the truth is that you are the love that you're seeking.